Hey guys, we're at Chai house right now. We're gonna do a decal for his car for a rally next week. So vinyl cutter. We're doing our logo right there. And there's the vinyl. Now it looks quite clean. He wanted his car to pop board during the rally. So we're gonna put Chicago Rally right in the hood. Time to install the decal.
Sẵn liền ha. Trăm mét còn thấy mà.
Vietnamese rally. Numero uno.
Do you want to cut it a little smaller?
Yes, I should. Just let him pull the other one up, right? I think it look with the style look really nice. The number font and the word "rad" up there look pretty cool.
What do you say?
Like, pull it, take it. Look good. Hell yeah. What do you think?
Mà đẹp hơn lại xéo mà.
Beautiful. Chicago Rally. There you go. Man. Look good. You like it, Chai? Yeah. And this is the mess we did. Yep. Yay. Alright guys, so we finally finished with the wrapping on Chai car. What do you think? I think. So in front here we got Chicago Rally. And on the side here we got 168. There's a meaning to it. I'll post it when I get the definition of the meaning of it. Alright guys, thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.